Hey boo, it's your girl Auji here. Today I'm going to be doing something different that I normally don't do on my channel because that is not my thing, but as you can see, there's obviously something going on. Ignore the clothes on the side and everything on the side. That's my friend's stuff. She coming to pick it up soon. But I'm going to be trying to put this wig on my head. Anyway, guys, I'm going to try to put on this wig for my hair because I've been looking a mess lately. And I want to look cute. Okay? The only other wig that I ever had was the red wig. I did a hair review with that wig on, and I'll put that in the comments, in the description, and you can watch that hair review if you want to. But today I'm going to be trying to put on this wig. But this is the wig. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited to put this wig on. I was supposed to get it done on Saturday, but unfortunately the girl who was supposed to do my hair had to get a COVID test, or she had COVID, something like that. And she ended up rescheduling my rescheduled hair appointment. Yes, I already rescheduled my appointment. It was supposed to be back in March, but I pushed it to April 3rd. You know, I wanted to look cute in April for spring break. But, okay, I'm talking too much. Right now, I'm just going to pluck this a little bit more to see if it needs any more plucking. It really don't look like it needs any more plucking, but I'm not a wig connoisseur, so I don't even know nothing about wigs, guys. I just watched a few YouTube videos and it was telling me that I needed to pluck the hairline to make it look scalp-like, and it kind of looks scalp-like to me already, guys. Like, I don't know, pre-pluck, you know, I don't really know how to do a wig, but I'm going to try it today, okay? I'm going to be trying something new, something that I never did. Hopefully I don't mess up. Fingers crossed that I don't mess up this wig, because this is some good hair. And it has straps, and it has this in the back. And I really wanted her to do my hair, guys. I'm really sad that she didn't get to do my hair. I was just really sad, but I just wet my hair, brushed it back with some gel. Not cute. I don't really have a wig cap, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. Right now I'm just taking the little pins off the wig and getting it ready for mama, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to dry my hair first. So if you want to see me dry my hair, keep watching. Really? Okay, guys, I went to go get some leftover products that I needed. Just the got to be glue, not Gorilla Glue. And then I got this Lotta Body coconut oil mousse or whatever. And then I got this for the parts. Still feels wet in the back. Waves on spoons, so they hit on here. Okay, anyways. Y'all look at that coral pattern. Oh my god, I'm gonna be up. Okay. Whew, honey, I'm scared though. I'm scared, okay. A little lace. So the wig is officially secured in the back. So far, so good, I guess. Y'all know how people be like, what lace? Yeah, it's gonna be some lace today. I just cut all the lace off. I wasn't supposed to do that. Guys, ignore that, but I really tried really hard to make it look like his scalp almost. Yes, you can see the lace, but it's manageable. I did it for a beginner. I cut the lace all wrong, but I ripped out the edges because like it was like extra hair on the lace right here. So I just ripped it out. It was really the Got To Be spray that really ripped it out, but I ripped it out and it turned out good. I just put some lot of body on there, this little mousse, and just combed it out. Not really combed it out, I just brushed it into the way I wanted it to be. Let me know how you guys like it. Guys, I honestly like the way this hair is looking. I like how it turned out. It don't look as bad as I thought I would do. I did pretty good for my second time installing a wig. If I press this down more, it'll look like my forehead, but all I did was use my Fit Me powder in the color 332 golden caramel, because my lace was kind of ashy, and then I just added this on there so it could be kind of my skin color. And I just glued it on with this Got To Be glue spray. I used the Got To Be glue spray. I used the Got To Be glue spray to apply my lace, and I used my blow dryer, and I was watching Girlfriends. It takes a long time for the lace to actually melt down, because at first I was watching YouTube videos and I thought it would be melted down in 2 minutes, and that's not the case. So I was watching Girlfriends while I was blow drying my hair. Be prepared that it's going to take a long time for the lace to melt, for the glue to melt. And you have to have patience, because at first I did not have patience at all, and I just thought it was going to be magically done, magically cute. Like I said again, I don't know how to do edges, so I did not put any edges on here. I tried. I got a bald spot right here because I ripped out the edges, the pre-plucked part. Once again, I feel like it looks good. I will wear this like this, and it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks, because guess who has to wear it? I do. I think it looks good, especially when I do my makeup and I get ready to go outside. I'm gonna look good, period. Anyways, thank you for watching this video.